Blair, Lee Diffie, Rutledge Wood, and our entire NBC Sports crew. I'm Todd Harris saying so long from Salt Lake City, Utah. We will see you in 2022 as Cooper Webb reigns supreme.
Stand by for drama. It's race day. Lights out and away we go. And the returning Marc Marquez comes straight back through. This is a new and improved Maverick Vinales. Crushed out. It's Alex Rins. It's over. All's fair in love and war. That was class.
Rev up for the Moto Madness. MotoGP. Live on Fox Sports.
We moved to Greece in order to witness an international cross-country rally event, the Rally Greece Off-Road, which was held for its 7th consecutive year in the city of Kastoria, in the northwest part of the country. The 7th Rally Greece Off-Road is second on the tour of the East European Tout-Terrain Series. In a previous episode, we travelled to Israel for the Desert Baja. This significant international cross-country rally was the first round of the 2019 East European Tout-Terrain Series season, and we couldn't miss the chance to follow the action in its second round.
The East European Tout-Terrain Series is one idea that started 3 years ago, with 4 organizers from Greece, from Romania, Bulgaria, and then we have added also Turkey, and this year also Israel. We hope next year Bulgaria to be again in our calendar.
The 31 competitors that participated in the event arrived from Greece, Cyprus, Italy, Belgium, Bulgaria, Turkey and Israel. And among them are some famous teams and drivers that have participated in the legendary Dakar race. This year's event was one of the biggest and longest automobile races conducted in Greece, compared to the amount of days and shorter distances that competitors had to accomplish previously. During the 4 days of the race, drivers had to cover almost 800 kilometers, from which 520 kilometers were special stages. Through these demanding races emerged the winners, final classifications in categories and classes. The main attraction for the spectators was the 3 days of the super special stage, set in the heart of the city. The unexpectedly high temperatures, the absence of wind, and the high percentage of humidity really challenged the competitors. So much so that they were happy just to be able to finish the race. At the end of the long race, the crowd greeted the participants with warm applause as they passed. In the car category, Gal Sakam and Ophir Nimrod of Israel, with a sophisticated Mitsubishi L200, celebrated the title. Leaving in second place the Greeks Petros Choutis and Kostas Makris with their Mitsubishi Piero. The pair kept pushing for victory up until the very last special stage. In the SSV SXS category, the winners were Kafri Zahi and Shai Regev from Israel with their Can-Am Maverick X3. followed by the Italian son and father team Pietranera and Edoardo Fabrizio, also in the Can-Am Maverick X3. This year's organisers, with the assistance of the Kastoria region and the Kastoria municipality, offered participants a high level of organisation, with a reputation hard-won during all the previous editions of the rally. The Rally Greece Off-Road has already started preparations for the next season. The 8th Rally Greece Off-Road in 2020 will be even more challenging, and we will be there to witness all the action.
We race because it's who we are.
We race to compete.
On the tracks, in the pits, as a sport.
But we all race for something bigger.
It's time we race
For equality.
It's time we race for sustainability.
It's time we race to be global citizens.
It's time we race for equal access, opportunities, and representation.
Because sport can change the world, but it's up to us to make sure that change is for the better.
United, we are stronger.
Change starts with you.
It needs to come from your heart.
Keep working.
Keep learning, keep on understanding.
We have a platform to
Shift change.
Starting little by little.
Boy or girl, man or woman.
United for the same causes.
We have the opportunity to spread the right message.
If we all pull together,
Every single person has responsibility.
The best example is our own example.
We need to be responsible on what kind of mark we leave.
We don't have all the answers yet, but we can help find them.
change starts here.
We race. We race.
We race.
We race. We race.
we race as one.
This October on National Geographic Network, we take you across Europe's most iconic locations, where traditions and engineering breakthroughs continue to shape this continent. Get inspired by these courageous young girls and women who dared to aim higher. Join us for an intimate reptilian experience as we celebrate this diverse yet endangered species. All new this October on National Geographic Network.
Last time Suzuki got the MotoGP World Championship. Oh, they're turbo here in Valencia.
A new level of sporting excitement. Your sports, better than ever, on SPO TV, channel 816.
So these are all stories about how people died.
Not just how, my dear. Why?
What is this?
The Mortuary Collection. Rent and stream on demand or go to channel 481. Fresh off the intensity of Tokyo, the best of Asia will captivate the globe once more.
A lot of table tennis fans will be watching around the world.
With 28 medals on the line, they will risk it all for pride and country.
Fortune favors the bold.
Every serve, every swing, perfection leaves no margin for error.
Just one quick flick of the wrist and it's over.
The 25th edition of the Asian Table Tennis Championships. Live on Astro Supersport 2 and the Astro Go app.
Come to a unique celebration of links golf at its finest.
Bringing together luminaries from the world of sport, business and entertainment.
All the excitement of pro and team competition at Scotland's historic St. Andrews.
Can I get a round of applause?
Fantastic. So close.
The perfect playoff.
In for the perfect ace.
The Alfred Dunhill Links Championship. Live on Golf Channel.
The lines are drawn. Over 8 days of intense non-stop action. Who will turn the tables? The BWF Cinnamon Cup 2021. Live on Astro Supersport and the Astro Go app.